In this video, you'll learn how to redeem a gift card on eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to apply your gift card balance towards your purchases seamlessly. Start by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, use the search bar at the top of the page to find the item you wish to purchase. After locating the desired product, click on the listing to open the product details. Either buy it now or add to cart. Click on buy it now if you want to purchase immediately, or add to cart if you plan to continue shopping. Reviewing the item details is essential to ensure the product meets your requirements before proceeding. After adding the item to your cart or completing the immediate purchase, navigate to the checkout page. Look for a field labeled gift card or coupon code. This is typically located below your listed items and above the payment options. Carefully enter the gift card code exactly as it appears on the card. It is crucial to avoid any typos, as they can prevent the code from being recognized. Once you've entered the code, click the apply button. You should see a confirmation that the gift card balance has been successfully added to your order total. If the value of the gift card fully covers the amount of your purchase, you can proceed to finalize your order. Simply follow the prompts to complete the purchase. In cases where the total exceeds the gift card balance, you will need to select an additional payment method to cover the remaining amount. This could be a credit card, debit card, or any other accepted payment option. Make sure to confirm all payment details before moving on. After selecting your payment method, review your order summary to ensure everything is correct. You should see the gift card value deducted from the total amount. Once you're satisfied with the order details, click on the button that says place order or confirm purchase. This action will finalize your transaction and complete the gift card redemption process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.